Hi, in this video I am going to show you the position relative in CSS. So I have two files, position.html and style.css. So I have the editor Sublime and I am going to open both these files in Sublime. So this is position.html and this is style.css. So in the desktop, if you will open position.html, then you will get nothing right now. So what I am going to do is, firstly I would like to write here HTML and position is relative, and then after I have, and one more thing, I have to link the CSS style.css, and now I am here writing h1 tag and position relative. So now if you will see on the output screen, you will find this, right? And I have another div where I will implement that relative position. So here the div is I am relative here, right? And now in this output screen you will find this specific thing, and now in the CSS what I am going to write is h1 tag text align center, and then after I have div, and in the div border is 2 pixel red 2 pixel solid and red, right? So now if you will see on the output screen, you will find this position relative, this is heading, and this is the div tag inside of which I have written I am relative here, right? So now I am going to implement the position relative. Actually the relative position means the position relative to the place where it is positioned. For say example, div is placed here, so this is relative to the document right now, right? Means if you will give the position, for say example, left 20 pixel or top 10 pixel, then it will move here and there according to their original position. So that original position is considered as the relative position, right? So now if you will define here the position relative, right? So the div is relative now, and if you will give some, for say example 40 pixel, so now if you will see on the output screen, you will find that 40 pixel from the start of this specific document, this is away, right? And if you will give the top position, you will also find out that, for say example 60 pixel. So now you will find the change. Have you seen? So in this way you can move this specific thing. For say example, I am here on the console, I am going to show you left. So if you will increase this, this will also move, and in the top position if you will give, this will move in this way, right? So this means that the specific div on which I am positioning, I am giving the position relative, is relative to the document DOM, right? So this will move according to their original position. That's why it is considered as the relative, right? So this was all about the relative position of the CSS. and in the next video we would move towards the absolute position. That is also an important concept that you have to keep in mind, but from here you must be well aware about the relative position, that how it is working. So that's it. In the next video we would be learning about another cool concept. So before ending this video, I request you to support my channel by subscribing it if not subscribed yet. Just subscribe it on clicking at subscribe button right bottom of your screen. Like this video, share this video to your friends. For any query, please feel free to ask below in the comment. I appreciate your feedback if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.